Today we're going to learn about the polo shirt. Polo shirt has different measurements needed, like shoulder, bust, figure, waistline, hips, armhole, sleeves, cuff, and length. Number 9, length. Okay. So, first step, we're going to make a perpendicular line. Just like the skirt, we need perpendicular line. Sa book, ganito yon. Lagi nating makikita o mababasa ang perpendicular line. Ganito lang yon. Yan. Naka-L. So, we can use our L square or just the ruler. Pag ruler, ang ating allowance sa itaas is 3 inches. Yan. 3 inches. Sulat natin. Sa left line is dito na lang 3 and 1/2 inch. Okay. First step, shoulder. Our shoulder measurement is 7 and 1/2. So from the corner, here on the corner, take the measurement of shoulder horizontally. So shoulder is 7 and 1/2. Dito yon. Huwag mo munang aalisin yung iyong tape measure kasi kailangan natin ng neck rule that is sometimes depend on the neck of the customer. So let's say 2 and 1/2, and then the shoulder slope is 1 inch. Yan, may marking natin. Now, join natin yung shoulder like this. Lagyan natin ng pangalan. Back shoulder, abbreviation, ha? And then, ito ay neck rule, back neck rule. Neck rule. Okay. Tapos, ang depth niya is 3 inches. So, from the corner is 3 inches. Sulat natin. 3 inches. Back. This is back neck. Okay. So, meron na tayong back shoulder. Gawa tayo ng front shoulder, which is from the back shoulder, measure 2 and 1/2. Sa my armhole is 3. This is the shape of polo men's. Pwede rin isuot ng girls, siyempre. And then, ifo-fold natin ang back shoulder like this para makita natin yung katapat. Ito yung back shoulder. Lagyan natin ng marking ang kanyang katapat for the front shoulder. So, ito ngayon yung front shoulder. Kung saan natin i-fold, ito yung center of the shoulder. Lagyan natin ng mark at saka pangalan ay center. Diyan na tayo kukuha ng measurements for the length, for the figure. Yan, center. Huwag kalilimutan. Ha? Now, meron na tayong shoulder, back and front. Kasali na yung neck rule. Tapos nito ay kukunin natin yung bust. Second measurement natin ay bust. Ang bust natin ay 9 and 1/2. So, from the left line, kunin natin yung 9 and 1/2. Yan, 9 and 1/2. And then, 9 and 1/2 din doon sa from the back shoulder, 9 and 1/2. Now, kunin natin, sukatin natin kung makukuha natin yung 18 na armhole. Ilagay natin dito para hindi tayo hanap ng hanap. 18. Okay. Measure natin like this. From the back shoulder to the bust. I-curve natin onte. No, onte lang. Hindi na natin susukatin. Curve lang natin yung kanyang back armhole. This is 10 and 1/2 plus the front shoulder to the bust. Should be 18. Tama. 18. Ayan. 18. So, using our French curve, i-join na natin ngayon yung front shoulder to the bust. Yan. I-kiss mo lang yung French curve mo doon sa shoulder, yan o, yung mark ng shoulder, to the mark of the bust. Like this. Okay? Plus the back shoulder to the bust. Dudugtong tayo. Anyway, okay lang. Okay, and then ito. Back shoulder to the bust. Yan, ganda ng forma. Okay? So, meron na tayong shoulder, back and front, and then armhole, back and front, and bust. Sulatan natin ito ang bust. Ito ang armhole, A, H, back. Ito naman A, H, front. Yan. Next natin ay figure. So, from the center of the shoulder to the waistline. Ito, center of the shoulder down to the figure is 15 and 16 and 1/2. Yan. So, i-line natin ng diretso, 16. Sukatin natin, para diretso, sukatin natin from the straight line do sa shoulder. So, 16 and then line. Where is my ruler? Yan. Line, this is the figure. Okay. So, meron tayong figure. Lagyan natin F, figure. And then, length. Ang length natin, say 25. From the center of the shoulder, down to 25. This is the length. So, 25. Tingnan natin yung straightness niya ha. Doon sa shoulder, 26 and 1/4 ang suka. Then, ito, 26 and 1/4. This is the length. Line natin. Line. Okay. Kulang dito. Dagdagan natin. Yan. Ang pangalan nito ay back hem or length. Sige, length na lang para hindi malito si ate. Okay. Tingnan natin yung waistline. Ang sukat ng waistline ay 7 and 1/2. Lagyan natin ng 7 and 1/2. Lagyan natin ng additional na 1 inch. Yan. And then, sa hips naman, ang hips natin ay 10. Hips ay 10. Yan. 10. 10. Okay. Curve natin. Using the curve ruler, like this. Sa itaas. Yan. Hanggang waistline lang ha. And then, itaob natin yung ating hip curve para dun sa hip. Tatandaan. Yan. Tatandaan. Line. Okay. Pagka ganong sharp, tanggalin natin o erase natin. Erase. Sabi ng mga sastre, patayin. O, patayin daw yung kanto. So, hindi na tayo doon dadaan. Dito na. Ha? Kasi mangungulubot pag dito ka. I-adjust natin. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng gagawa tayo ng front about chubby, so 1 inch. Lagyan natin ng note. Ganyan na lang, note. Sa hem, ang hem is may additional na 1/2 inch for slim. Parang ganun din sa skirt. Pag chubby, 1 inch. Is 1 inch. Yan. So, gagawin natin dito 1 inch kasi malaki yung hips niya, assuming na chubby din siya. Para sa, yung chubby means mapuson o mataba ang puson. So, i-curve natin yung hemming using your French hip curve, then line. Ang pangalan nito ay front length. Okay? Then, gagawa tayo ng neck. Neck or collar. Wala pala tayong collar. Number 10 is collar. Say, 15 regular or medium. 15. How to make neckline. So, ito na. Guguhitan natin yung back neck rule using your French curve. Yung 3 inches, di ba? Yan, 3 inches. Ang collar natin ay 15 divided by 2 is 7 and 3/4. So, gawin natin ng sukatin natin ang 7 and 3/4. Ito. From the back shoulder to the nape or back nape, back center. This is 14 and 3/4 plus front shoulder. Hahanapin natin ngayon yung kanyang 7 and 3/4. I-curve mo siyempre kasi curve yung ating leeg. Yan. So, dito. Okay. I-curve na, join na natin yung kanyang neck. Distinguish na natin. Yan. There yung suka. So, this is front. This one is back. Yan. Okay. So, this is the body. Now, lagyan natin ng button allowance. Sa regular button polo is 1/2 inch only. Then, line. Kasi lulupin natin yan eh. Okay. So, meron na tayong bodies. Okay. Next, pocket. Ang pocket from the front center you have to measure 7 inches down. 7 inches. Para diretso, doon tayo sa diretsong line, sumukat ng 7, 9 and 1 half ang cut. Straight niya, 9 and 1 half. So, yung pocket mo, so yan yung pocket mo. Ang harap naman ay 2 inches. 2 inches. Guhitan natin. This is the pocket. Left side, ha? Yan. Ang sukat niya ay 4 and 1 half. Depends on you. Kung gusto mo ng malapad o mas maliit, okay naman. So, 2 inches from the center, left center. Then, ang haba niya ay 4 and a half. Sulat natin 4 and 1 half. Dito ay 2 inches. Okay. Now, the yoke. Back yoke is from the back rule, neck rule, sukat ka lang ng 2 inches. Idiretso natin. So, from the straight line on top, 5 and 1/8. 5 and 1/8. Then, line. Doon sa back and back. Ito kasi front. Sulat natin. Front. Ito naman ang back. So, back armhole. Lagay natin 2. Pag nag-cut ka, ito naka-fold. Folded, ha? Okay. So, ito na yung ating polo. And then, ifo-fold mo lagi ito para hindi ka magkakamali. Ayan. So, pag nag-cut ka ng front neck rule, naka-fold. Palaging naka-fold. Meron tayong so, this is now your polo shirt measure pattern. Thank you for watching.